Hey everyone, for those wondering what happened to the anchored text tool, it's no longer available in the system. So the developers decided to take it out. Can't tell you why, but it's now, you've just got text, but there's no longer an anchored text tool. So I always used the anchored text tool for my headings. So that way, if the chart moved around, my heading would stay where it was. And it's not very obvious. So if you want to create a new text heading, for example, you might say, my heading goes here and my heading goes here. And if you double click on it, then there's nothing in here that talks about, fix the text, make the text sticky, make the text anchored. And so there's no way that I can tell from this screen here and then looking around the rest of my screen, there's nothing else here that tells me, how I can make that anchored. And of course, the way that it does work is if you click somewhere else, you'll see when you click on it the first time, this little menu appears here. So if you double click on it, that little menu goes away. So see this little menu here that I'm talking about. If I can drag it, so that little menu there, if I double click on this, that menu is gone. If I click somewhere else and click on it once, the menu is back. And then you now have to click the anchor there. So it's an extra click to get the sticky text window back for some reason. I think I can move him around, yep. And now if I move it, see how the top one moves, but the bottom one doesn't. So that's how you get the anchored text back. You've got to do two extra steps. So you click that, and then once you put your heading in, you click that little button there, and then your text is anchored again on the drawing panel. So that's how that now works. For those of you who have been wondering where it went.